Imagine a criminal walking into a crowded train station, confident nobody knows who they are. 3 seconds later, cameras across the city have matched their face, flagged their route, and alerted police before they even reach the ticket machine. That is not science fiction anymore. In 2026, artificial intelligence is catching criminals in ways that would have sounded insane just a few years ago. And the craziest part? The technology is only getting faster. Every single day, police departments around the world use AI to solve crimes that have gone cold for decades, predict where the next break-in will happen, and bust fraud rings that stole billions. In this video, I will show you 5 shocking ways AI is catching criminals in 2026. Some of these will make you feel safer. Some might honestly creep you out. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on stories like this, smash that subscribe button right now, because we drop videos like this every single day. Let us start with the most controversial piece, predictive policing. In Dubai, police rolled out machine learning models that officials say can predict certain crimes with 68% accuracy. The head of AI for Dubai's police told reporters that officers do not even think about their guns anymore, because the algorithm tells them where trouble is coming before it happens. In Kanagawa, Japan, police use AI that studies patterns from past offenders and literally predicts a criminal's next move, like a chess engine playing against a human. Officers get dispatched before the crime even occurs. It sounds like the movie Minority Report, except the pre-crime unit is real, funded, and expanding. Across America, dozens of cities now feed years of incident reports into prediction engines that generate daily heat maps of where burglaries and car thefts are most likely to strike. The results have been mixed, and we will get to the dangers in a minute, but the era of random patrols is officially over. Next up is the part one find genuinely amazing: AI is solving cold cases. A group called the Cold Case Foundation uses AI software from a company called Veritone to generate new leads on unsolved crimes, some of them decades old. The AI chews through millions of pages of case files, witness statements, phone records, and old tips, then cross-references them against public databases, news archives, and even social media. It finds connections that human detectives missed, because no human can hold 5 million documents in their head. Police labs are also using AI to reanalyze old DNA evidence with modern techniques. Homicide cold cases gathering dust in evidence lockers are being resubmitted for AI-assisted analysis, and they are producing names. In 2025 alone, dozens of arrests came from genetic genealogy and AI forensics, and 2026 is on pace to crush that number. For families who waited 30 years for answers, the machine is the detective that never gave up. Number 3, facial recognition has gone from airport security to everyday law enforcement. In 2026, police cameras in major cities can scan a crowd of thousands and match faces against suspect databases in real time. But here is the part most people do not know. The AI is not just matching faces anymore. It can identify a person by their walk, their posture, even the way they hold their phone. Investigators call it soft biometrics, and it means a suspect who changes their hairstyle or grows a beard is still trackable. London's dense camera network now feeds into AI systems that flag suspicious behavior patterns and alert officers on the ground. In China, police AI has reportedly identified suspects in crowds of thousands at concerts within minutes. And cities like New York and Las Vegas have quietly expanded real-time biometric surveillance despite privacy lawsuits. The machines are watching, and criminals are realizing they cannot hide in a crowd anymore. Now let us talk about the money. Financial crime is the biggest criminal industry on the planet, and AI just became its worst enemy. Banks run fraud detection. Models that analyze every single transaction in real time. If your card is used in a pattern that matches a known fraud ring, the AI freezes it before the thief can finish the purchase. But it goes way beyond stolen credit cards. In 2026, AI is dismantling organized crime networks by following the money. Investigators feed years of banking data into machine learning models that map out suspicious networks, who pays whom, when, and why. One bust in Europe traced a human trafficking ring through thousands of small cash deposits that no human analyst would ever have connected. AI also monitors the dark web, flagging marketplaces that sell stolen identities. The result is that cybercrime units are solving cases in weeks that used to take years. The bad guys built their empires on speed. Now the machines are faster, and they do not sleep. But here is the part that should make us all stop and think. The same technology that catches criminals can also make terrible mistakes. Predictive policing has a documented bias problem. If an algorithm is trained on decades of arrest data, and those arrests disproportionately happen in certain neighborhoods, the AI simply learns to send more police there, which leads to more arrests, which reinforces the bias in an endless feedback loop. Civil rights groups have documented cases where innocent people were flagged because facial recognition matched the wrong face, sometimes with devastating consequences. In 2026, several cities have banned predictive policing tools outright, while others are fighting to keep them. The honest truth is that AI is a tool, not a judge. It is powerful at finding patterns, but patterns are not proof. The best departments treat AI as a lead generator, not an arrest machine. That is the debate every city on Earth is having right now. So there you have it. 5 shocking ways AI is catching criminals in 2026, predicting crimes before they happen, solving cold cases that stumped detectives for decades, tracking suspects through crowds, dismantling financial crime networks, and struggling with bias we still have not fixed. The technology is not going away. The question is how we use it. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe so you never miss another one, and comment below, would you trust an AI to predict crime in your neighborhood? I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.